Tropical Storm Claudette now pounding the Florida Panhandle, making a landfall right now a little west of Destin, Florida. So watch out there in the Destin Harbor area and points eastward. That is where the worst of the wind and heavy rain is.
Torrential amounts of rain, about a half foot in some spots. We'll let you know how much more you could be seeing as Claudette moves inland on your Monday. So keep it tuned right here to the Weather Channel for live coverage. Well, thank you for keeping it tuned here to the Weather Channel on Sunday night. Early Monday morning, we are tracking 3 tropical systems as well as some storms which have been rumbling across the plains.
Yeah, I tell you what here, Sam, we're watching that airport in Destin, Florida. The winds have turned very hard from the northeast all the way around to the south just in a matter of 2 hours' time. That's telling us the system is coming in just a little west of there. So it's right there over, if you know Crab Island, right there at Destin Harbor. That looks like right where the center is coming ashore.
So tropical storm winds, right now tropical storm force winds. They've been around 42, 43 miles per hour across the Destin area. And we're just getting lashed with rain. It seems to be heading over, kind of training over one area over a time. That's why we've seen so much rain in some spots. And of course, we can't rule out the threat of tornadoes as this storm moves on in. And by the way, this is video of Cape Coral from that tornado that moved on through on Sunday. Several homes damaged. You can see that a car was flipped right over on its side and a number of trees torn down. That left people without power for a time, but now we understand that power is up pretty much for everyone across the region. So that is some good news. But Bill, we're still going to be dealing with some very heavy rain into the overnight.
Yeah, Sam, that's amazing. Claudette's coming in as we speak. There is that center coming ashore there, right there on the west side of Destin. And here's all that rain in that right semicircle. Panama City Airport still gusting in the 30s. It looks like that wind is starting to die down. Not that it couldn't come up again a little bit with these squalls coming in, but it looks like it was that little eye wall, if you will. It's not really a true eye wall, but there is a nice circular area that has a bright band to it. And that is where the winds were gusting to 45 in Destin. So it's coming in now. So Niceville and up around Eglin Air Force Base, I suspect it's getting pretty windy here as well. So we could see some damaging wind. We may see some power outages over there into the areas west of Panama City. Here in Panama City, there's a lot of rain coming in, some lightning out there too. Flood watches up here roughly from about the Apalachicola River westward. So the entire Panhandle and south central Alabama, so Mohr, Bruton, Evergreen, Alabama, you're all under a flood watch now, as is the city of Montgomery. So Montgomery will likely see the heaviest of rain just in time for that Monday rush hour. And once again, we continue to see that center likely coming kind of bisecting Alabama. But it's kind of misleading. It looks like the worst of that rain is going to be on the right side. And then also tropical storm warnings here. So as we have said, around Eglin Air Force Base and then up into Alabama, watching this area from really about Andalusia to Mohr. The wind is going to pick up overnight, so watch out. Could have some power outages here. All right, let's talk about the bottom line here with Claudette coming in as we speak there on the west side of Destin near Fort Walton Beach. Claudette weakening coming through now, but still very heavy bands of rain and gusty winds will be an issue into the daybreak hour.